These elegant birds, known for their vibrant pink plumage and long, slender legs, hold fascinating tales hidden beneath their graceful exteriors. Flamingos are social creatures, often congregating in large colonies around shallow, saline lakes. Their vibrant colors are attributed to their diet, rich in pigments from algae and crustaceans. Their secret lies in their courtship rituals, intricate dances, and synchronized group activities. They are not only masters of survival in harsh, aquatic environments but also nurturing parents to their fluffy, gray chicks. Uncover the hidden world of flamingos, where grace meets resilience, and vibrant pink feathers conceal a life filled with remarkable behaviors and intriguing secrets.